I shared my strategy and vision for next 4 years. The most important is that we do it separately, competition for school teams and separately competition for select teams. In previous days we had made many important decisions, but most important that we show that we are a big ISF family. We understand each other, and only together we can grow ISF. And I really believe that with this team we will continue to give opportunity to all children around the world to be satisfied in this area.
We have a new role, we have a new position, and for the Asian Continental President. We have new missions. I wish all the best for me, first of all, and for other members to do their role and their mission and to implement the President's strategy in the future.
𝗓𝗦𝗙 𝗚𝗲𝗹 proved his capabilities in the previous years, so we are expecting nothing less than excellent. I will represent Europe in the ISF, so I hope that we will go good together in the future, that we will build stronger both European School Sport Federation and the ISF.
For the first time in ISF, we're having a female continental president. It shows the good governance, it shows equity, it shows how well that ISF has grown to ensure that it's inclusive to have both male and female in such position.
For me, ISF needs much more inclusion for people with disability, for build very good educational and sports events for these people.
ISF will be better, and sure we will work with the new AC under the vision of the President to develop more ISF and to put it in high situation, and sure we will continue to promote school sport all over the world. We are school sport.